Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M32 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Start by opening menu and tapping on clock. Then select alarm at the bottom right corner if it's not already on and click at the plus icon. Over here you can set up an hour, and when you're done, pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Then choose alarm name and label your alarm however you want to. When you're done, click done, and over here click on the switchers next to alarm sound, vibration and snooze to enable or disable these options. Then click on alarm sound, tap on ringtone and pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the chosen one. Go back, and if you want to adjust the volume of your alarm, swipe left or right on the slider over here. Go back, click on vibrations and pick one of the patterns by clicking on the chosen one. Go back again, tap on snooze, and over here you can pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back and click on save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!